Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down a 4-year AI degree in under 10 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. This is the Gen Z version of AI explained for entertainment and understanding. AI is insanely cool and exciting, but most people don't take the time to actually learn the fundamentals needed to master it. Most people spend 4 years and thousands of dollars to learn, so stick around, because this is AI's greatest. Year 1, math that actually matters. Alright, year 1, it's math, stats, and linear algebra galore. Not exactly Netflix binge material, but stick around the next 90 seconds. You'll get to see the cool stuff in year 3 and 4 about AI and The Simpsons. Calculus. The math sauce AI runs on calculus. It is like the secret ingredient that makes AI go vroom. It helps models learn and adapt, basically leveling up like a video game. Derivatives track how fast things change, like AI figuring out if your TikTok is blowing up or flopping. Integrals total things up, like counting how many likes you've stacked in 24 hours. AI tweaks itself using gradient descent, basically walking downhill step by step until it hits rock bottom, in a good way. Probability, predicting viral trends. Probability is AI's way of vibe checking the future. Normal distribution, like grades in class, most people hover around average, but a few are legends or disasters at the ends. Binomial distribution, yes or no predictions, like guessing if your post will flop or go viral. Exponential distribution predicts waiting times, think Uber Eats delivery estimates. Poisson distribution tracks rare events, like random crush texts or customer complaints. Linear algebra, AI's cheat codes. Linear algebra is AI's spreadsheet on steroids, rows and columns packed with data, multiplying them. That's how neural networks layer info, like stacking Snapchat filters for the perfect selfie. Matrix multiplication powers neural networks, crunching numbers faster than a finance bro on Wall Street. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors help AI find patterns, basically filtering selfies to find the ones where you're serving main character energy. Year 2, Python and brain gymnastics. Year 2 is where AI gets hands-on, coding, advanced calculus, and building models. This is the glow-up phase where you stop pretending to be smart and actually become smart. Python, AI's Swiss Army knife. Python is AI's all-in-one tool, clean, versatile, and low-key addictive. It's basically the language of Riz, making AI smooth, effective, and impossible to resist. This code, it's basically a TikTok tutorial for AI, quick, effective, and repeatable. Data cleanup. Decluttering AI's closet libraries like Pandas and NumPy let AI Marie Kondo messy data, cleaning up empty values, sorting columns, and spotting outliers. Examples include removing null values, identifying outliers with z-scores, and sorting data frames by specific columns for easier analysis. Because no one wants their AI tripping over dirty data. Year 3, machine learning, AI grows up. Year 3 is where AI goes from high schooler to CEO, flexing math and patterns like a data wizard. Supervised versus unsupervised learning, AI's dance moves as supervised learning step-by-step lessons, like a dance instructor showing moves until AI is ready to freestyle. Unsupervised learning, AI shows up to the dance floor solo, vibes with the crowd, and finds patterns, basically spotting clicks based on who's dancing in sync. Popular ML models, linear regression, trend tracker, draws lines to predict trends, like guessing tomorrow's weather, logistic regression, yes or no, Tinder swipes, will they buy, yes or no, KNN, friend finder, groups data by similarity, like Netflix suggestions based on taste. Decision trees, 20 questions. Splits data step by step until AI has an answer. Random forest. The committee, it gets multiple opinions, like a group chat voting on memes. SVMs, line drawers, draws invisible boundaries, like splitting dogs versus cats. Naive Bayes, probability guru, updates predictions based on data, like judging emails for spam vibes. Recommender, systems Netflix and chill with algorithms. Recommender systems are AI's version of playing matchmaker. It's how Netflix knows you'll binge the next true crime doc before you do. Content-based filtering, the Twin Finder. Think Netflix studying your watch history and suggesting shows with similar themes, like recommending rom-coms if you've been rewatching To All the Boys I've loved before. It's Spotify's Discover Weekly, but for movies. Collaborative filtering, squad goals. This one's like crowdsourcing from people with similar tastes. If others who binged Stranger Things also love the OA, Netflix assumes you will too. Amazon's customers who bought this also bought Boost works the same way. Hybrid models, best of both worlds. Mixing both methods, these systems create hyper-personalized recommendations, like merging playlists with your bestie for the ultimate road trip mix. Recommender systems are the AI MVPs behind your binge watching, playlists, and impulse buys. Basically, they know your vibe better than you do. Training, validation, and test sets as AI's workout routine. AI gets fit through training, validation, and test sets. Training is its daily gym grind, learning reps and routines. Validation is the personal trainer, fixing form and tweaking routines to prevent skipping leg day or overfitting. Finally, the test set is the big flex. AI's chance to show off under pressure. AI's performance gets tracked with metrics like accuracy, reps done right, precision, full squats only, no half reps, and recall, finding all the right answers. F1 score balances both for the ultimate vibe check, and loss functions act like the gym buddy who keeps pointing out weaknesses. AI's biggest fear? Overfitting, focusing so much on bicep curls it skips leg day, crushing training data but flopping in the real world. Dropout fixes this by forcing AI to train blindfolded or with one hand tied, teaching it to adapt and not over-rely on patterns. Epochs and mini batches keep training structured. Epochs are study sessions, revisiting the data to get sharper without overdoing it. Mini batches, they're circuit training. Small, focused bursts to prevent burnout and build consistency. Learning rates act as AI's coach, adjusting effort so it doesn't overtrain or slack off. Year 4, Neural Networks and Transformers, AI's final boss level. This is where AI starts feeling low-key sentient. Neural networks, group chat, planning a party. Neural networks are like group chats. Each friend, neuron, shares ideas, weighs opinions, weights, and picks the final plan output. Layers refine ideas step by step. At the core, we've got the perceptron, the group leader who prioritizes ideas and sets the vibe. Weights decide if the playlist matters more than decorations, and bias is that one friend who always votes for disco lights. The more they plan and tweak, the better the parties get, just like neural networks learning patterns through repetition. Deep learning stacks these group chats into a network of planners. Raw ideas, input, get refined, hidden layers, until the final plan output is ready. After enough practice, the network becomes the go-to party planner, effortlessly nailing it every time. Transformers are AI's social butterflies, scanning the whole group chat at once, instead of reading one text at a time. They use attention mechanisms, 360-degree vision, to focus on what matters, like spotting the "we need to talk" in a breakup text and ignoring the emoji meltdown that follows. Self-attention helps AI check every word against every other word to catch context, sarcasm, and double meanings. Meanwhile, positional encoding keeps track of who texted first, so the AI doesn't lose context in long convos. This setup lets Transformers speed read novels, while older models are still sounding out the first page. That's why they power LLMs like GPT, writing essays, dropping fire rap lyrics, summarizing Netflix plots, and even generating pickup lines that almost slap. Computer vision. AI's third eye computer vision lets AI see the world like a robot unlocking its third eye. From Snapchat filters to self-driving cars, it's where AI shifts from nerd to influencer. CNNs, convolutional neural networks, AI's paparazzi, scanning pixels like zooming into celebrity outfits for details. Early layers catch edges and curves, while deeper ones go Sherlock Holmes on patterns, and that's the tea on a 4-year AI degree in 10 minutes. From surviving math meltdowns to building neural networks that slay, this crash course gave you all the essentials without the student loans. If this video helped you level up, hit that like button, sub for more, and drop a comment if AI should write your next Tinder bio. Peace out.